Hello, my name is Mustafa and this is MK Guitar and Uke. Today we'll discuss a feature not many use on the Soundbrenner free metronome app, which is unfortunate because this feature is so powerful. If used in the proper way, it will save you time, keep you better organized and more focused when practicing. I use the feature I'm about to show you alongside my practice planner that I teach to all my students and in my Ukulele Fingerstyle Basics course, where I teach you specifically how to divide your music into smaller segments using I.S.E and A.P.T acronyms. These are unique pedagogical methods that improve your practicing session and guarantees results. So if you're interested in learning more, check out the link in the video description. The first thing you'll need is to download Soundbrenner's free app. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. You then want to go to their library, and inside the library you'll have two tabs, Song Library as well as Setlist Library. Think of the Song Library as an instance where you want a specific metronome setting to be stored. For example, if you have a warm-up exercise that you like to play at 120 beats per minute, then you simply store it as a song. The Setlist library is where you can group the songs together. Before I teach you how to edit the songs in setlist libraries, let's talk about the different ways you can use this and truly understand the power of the app. If you like warm-ups or technical exercises, then you can save the settings for each exercise as a song, and then group them together as a setlist. You can group these warm-ups according to their day blocks in your routine, or you can group them according to their category. For example, you can have scales exercises, finger picking exercises, and strumming exercises, and so on. Or, if you're learning a single piece of music with 5 or 6 different problems, then you can set the metronome setting for each problem as a different song, and then group them together as a setlist and rename the setlist to the name of the song. This way you can work on the entire problems of the song in a single session, without having to go back and forth between metronome settings. Another way of doing this is to actually have different song settings and group them into your repertoire list for a particular performance or a day block. However you do it, the possibilities are endless and can save you a lot of time by staying organized, focused, and not waste time going back and forth between metronome settings. Again, this is very useful if you're playing multiple pieces at different speeds or different time signatures, as you waste a lot of time adjusting the metronome for each problem. To edit a song, you can click on the 3 vertical dots. I like to delete all the default ones and start from scratch. Then click on the plus sign to add a song. Make sure to add a title, add the tempo speed, and your time signature. The subdivision controls if you hear the quarter note or the 8th note if you'd like. Hit save, and now your song is ready. Let's create 2 more so we can group them into a set list. To create a set list, hit the plus button, add a name, and add song. This will automatically take you to your song library, from which you can add the songs you've added. And that's it, you now have a stored setlist you can use to practice. If you own a Soundbrenner Pulse or Core device, then the integration is even more seamless as you transition out of the app into your haptic feedback metronome that is connected to the app via Bluetooth. So make sure to check them out. Soundbrenner also has a Plus membership if you're interested in a rhythm course, as well as discounts on some gear.